Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube thumbnails in seconds using only ChatGPT. Yes, so prompt and thumbnail both generated with ChatGPT. No extra tools, no confusion. Most people think ChatGPT is only for text, but now you can use it to generate thumbnail ideas and images as well. This works for normal videos and also for documentary or history-based content. Step 1. Creating the prompt with ChatGPT. First, we ask ChatGPT to create a thumbnail prompt. Simply explain the video topic, the style you want, and the category. ChatGPT generating the prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT gives us a detailed and clear prompt that describes the thumbnail perfectly. Step 2. Generating the thumbnail with ChatGPT. Now, using the same ChatGPT, we ask it to generate the thumbnail image based on that prompt. ChatGPT creates a ready-to-use thumbnail image instantly. Same process, same ChatGPT. Only the idea and style change. Final tips. Once the thumbnail is generated, you can add text or small adjustments if needed. But the main design, background, and concept are already done by ChatGPT, which saves a lot of time. So, this is how you can go from idea to thumbnail in seconds using only ChatGPT. If this helped you, save this video and follow for more AI and design tips. See you in the next one.